Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're cracking the code on something called game theory.
So you might think that getting ahead is all about your hard work, right?
But the thing is, our choices create ripples that affect everyone around us.
And yup, their choices affect you too. That's pretty much game theory in a nutshell.
Think of it as the science of strategy for when you're not the only one playing the game.
Okay, so for any situation to count as a game, you just need these three simple things.
Some games are all about competition. Others are about teamwork, where everybody can win together.
All right, let's check out the most famous puzzle in all of game theory.
Imagine this. Two partners get caught. The police put them in separate rooms and offer a deal.
If they both keep quiet, they get the best result for the team, just 1 year each.
But if they both betray each other just to save themselves, they both end up with a worse deal.
Okay, let's try another one. This is called the Ultimatum Game. Ready?
See? This shows that our sense of what's fair can totally overpower pure logic.
So how do these games find a stable point? Through something called a Nash Equilibrium.
It's why we do things like all walking on the right side. It just works better for everyone.
But here's the thing. Most of life isn't a one-and-done deal. We see the same people again and again.
And that's huge, because your reputation really matters. What you do now affects future games. A great strategy is tit for tat. It rewards teamwork and discourages being selfish. Pretty smart, huh?
So what's the big takeaway? Always think about how others might react. And remember, trust is gold.
Once you start looking, you'll see these games everywhere, from your classroom to your own family.